Light, as an indispensable element of nature, has always accompanied our production and life. From fire to electricity, to today's LED lighting technology, every technological innovation has greatly promoted the progress of society. Hunan Rijing Lighting Technology construire la qualité as the brilliant jewel of Xiangneng Hualei Optoelectronic construire la qualité specializes in the production, sales, and engineering design of LED lighting products, leveraging the product and technological strengths of its parent company. In collaboration with our parent company, Hualei Optoelectronics, we harness these strengths to provide comprehensive lighting solutions. Rijing Lighting illuminates every corner of your space. Hualei Optoelectronics ignites the heart of every LED. Our lighting products, ranging from alley lights, street lights, to tunnel lights, consistently reflect quality and innovation. We offer not just products, but complete lighting solutions, enhancing the beauty of your life with our illumination. By choosing Rijing Lighting, you select the robust technical support and quality assurance provided by Hualei Optoelectronics. Together, we strive to create a bright, energy-efficient, and eco-friendly lighting environment for you, ensuring that each moment of light serves as a beautiful promise for the future. Since its establishment in 2008, Xiangneng Hualei Optoelectronic has continually led the industry's development within the entire LED industry chain, thanks to its exceptional technological innovation and R&D capabilities. As the only enterprise in Hunan province that covers the entire industry chain from LED epitaxy and chips to application products, Xiangneng Hualei Optoelectronic not only manufactures high-quality LED products, but also provides innovative smart lighting solutions to global customers through the deep integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and Internet of Things, IoT technologies. Hunan Rijing Lighting Technology Co-Cars Lanadi, a brilliant gem of Xiangneng Hualei Optoelectronic, specializes in the production, sales, and engineering design of LED lighting products. Leveraging its parent company's robust technical and product advantages, Rijing Lighting offers not only high-quality lighting products ranging from alley lights, street lights, to tunnel lights, but also comprehensive lighting solutions, illuminating every corner and making life more beautiful with our lighting. Together with Hualei Optoelectronic, we harness its strong technical strength and innovation capability to continuously explore the possibilities of light, illuminating the core of every LED. Our products not only embody quality and innovation, but also carry a promising commitment to the future.